Well, he rolled the dice and came up with snake eyes. Folks, the customer with the BMW 650 from the motor swap video decided to take another stab at the auction, and he was feeling like a gambling man. He was feeling lucky. He rolled the dice, was hoping for an 11, and he got craps. Bad motor. And guess who's back? Say hi, Hans. Don't run away.
No.
Okay, folks, what we have here is a 2018 Q3 S-Line. The 2.0 turbo. Bad engine. As we can see, Hans is here. Wave hello. Come on, say hello. Welcome back.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody. He's under here getting the motor loosened up, getting it unbolted, getting it out. Not an overall bad car. Got aftermarket wheels on it, but it's a good-looking car. I'll get you some videos of inside once the car drops down. But again, customer took a shot again with the German car. However, the guys are very happy because this car is extremely less complicated than that 650 was. We have a little 4-cylinder motor, turbo, as opposed to the 4x4. All-wheel drive? All-wheel drive. Anyhow. Yes, it's again extremely less complicated, so we're waiting on a donor motor to get dropped off from a yard. So Hans is going to get to work here, and Franz is outside hiding because he's got PTSD from the last BMW. So let's get going. As long as I can remember, I always wanted to be a junk man. Okay, now just quickly for those of you who don't gamble or maybe too young to gamble, and you didn't get the reference to rolling a 7 or rolling a dice and coming up snake eyes. Talking about craps. Craps dice. When you come out roll. That's when the person first gets the dice and they roll. They're hoping for a 7 or 11. So you're hoping for a 7 or 11. Come on, 7. Well, if you roll a 2, a 3, or a 12, you automatically lose. And well, the customer again rolled a snake eyes. Snake eyes is the dice when you roll 1. Each die has 1, so you get a 2. It's called snake eyes. Most of you have probably seen a Bronx Tale. If you have, well, then you know this guy's like mush. And for those who haven't seen a Bronx Tale but have watched the Chappelle Show, the World Series of Dice at the Marcy Projects, this customer's Ashy Larry. So he's not having much luck. No good, but if you guys want to look, check out YouTube. I guess you can probably bring up the dice scene in Bronx Tale. And you can definitely find the Chappelle Show, the World Series of Dice. But again, this customer rolled the dice and he's a mix of Ashy Larry and mush. I think we got to put him in the bathroom. Oh, the donor motor's here. It's coming off the truck. What's going on?
Not much. This is Alliance Auto Parts, the #1 auto part
Really?
yard in North America.
You're going to say that right in front of me? I mean, come on. I was going to give a shout out now. Forget about it. Anyhow, here's the donor motor. Actually, it's coming from a friend of mine's yard. I happen to know the owner of this place for over 30 years, back when he worked in another junkyard, Alliance Auto Parts. A little shout out. See Junkman's Paradise. We're not afraid to call our friends out. Anyhow, here's the donor motor for the Audi. Hans and Franz. Franz is back. He was hiding, but he's back. Let's get this motor rolled into the shop and go from there. Well, everything underneath is getting disconnected, and I just want to. Hey Hans,
Electric.
What's that?
Electric.
It's electric, right? So what are we not gonna? We're not gonna put in power steering fluid, right?
Not this time.
So let me ask you: is this car a lot easier than a BMW?
Yes, of course.
Because not for nothing, you guys are on the air for like maybe a half hour,
wait.
and everything almost looks
We're
disconnected.
waiting on the other BMW.
What other BMW?
The 740,
750.
740, 750. Same motor,
Same customer?
same customer.
Same customer.
So he has another one with the
He
bad
has another one.
Folks. Not only to roll the dice once, roll the dice twice, roll the dice a third time on a BMW. Oh no. Are you going to take that week off?
Yep.
Yeah, you're taking that week off.
But next week. it's
Nice, you're going
coming.
to take off too? It looks like Junkman's going to be changing the motor, guys. Oh, no, I'm joking.
Now it's Germany, man.
Okay, well, they're getting everything disconnected here. We're going to get the car down onto the floor, and we'll disconnect everything off up top there. And they look much happier on this motor than the BMW, I can tell you that for sure. rear cross member with the control arms are off, so that tells us that Hans and Franz here have this motor ready to come out. Unlike the BMW motor where we had to remove, or they had to remove the nose to bring it out the front, this motor and train is going to get dropped right out the bottom. You can see everything's been disconnected, wire harness and all.
Everything is
Everything?
Everything
And
is
wire harness here, nice. Everything's unplugged.
Just go.
All right,
You're ready to
unplugged.
drop it.
A little short there, huh? Anyhow, okay, look, all loose. We're gonna get ready to lift the car up and see what we got. Boy, Hans and Franz, they got this down pat, boy, let me tell you.
Dale. Ok, dale.
Lifting you up to feet there, Bravo. Excuse me, Hans. What happened? Taking a ride?
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Bring it up.
Normally, this is where I go another happy divorce or a separation, but what can you do? At least they don't have to worry about paying child support. Look at that. Nice and clean. Little catalytic converter there. However, you got to appreciate what's not the German technology here. Look at that. Look at it. Junkyard technology right there, folks. When you don't have the right thing to put it down on, you grab a tire and an old pallet. Peg would be proud. Very good, guys. So you guys got to transfer everything over now. So here's the old motor, the 2.0. Here's the donor motor that's been cleaned up. A couple of things pulled off, and they're just gonna have to swap some stuff over and transplant this baby. Unlike, again, like the BMW, which took like 3 days to do, this is only really a couple hours worth of work in between some other stuff. Let's get things changed over and get her up. Okay, talk about quick, guys. Listen, you got to slow down a little. You got to give me a chance to go inside and fool around. You got to give me a minute. Okay? I don't mean to slow you guys down or anything, but listen, folks. I went inside for 15 minutes. Literally 15 minutes to make a few phone calls, to maybe edit a little bit of film, and I came out and here's the old motor, and here's the donor motor. It's already put that back together again. I mean, the transmission's bolted on. And they're getting ready to put it back up. I mean, literally, it was 15 minutes. This is definitely not like the 650. Speedy Gonzalez. Okay, give me. What? Do you know what he says in the cartoon? I know. God, now listen. I'm only doing this. It's andale, iba. I need a sombrero. Go get a sombrero. Anybody ever know sombrero? Wait. You guys are, I forgot. You guys aren't Mexican today.
Sombrero now.
You're Hans and Franz. Anyhow, folks, it's all together, looking good, I guess. I really don't know what to say. This is happening pretty quicker than I thought. But, okay, I'll let them get back to work. I'm actually afraid to turn around. It might be done in 10 more minutes. Okay, I'm just wandering around the motor here, and I'm watching Franz here work on the engine. And I'm looking at it. Audis have motor codes and tranny codes, and I know this isn't the Audi tranny code, but I was just curious. Hold on 1 second there, Franz. I was looking and did this tranny belong to Ric Flair? WOO. What's it? That says woo. Come on, give me a woo. You have any idea who Ric Flair is? No. Okay, like I'm just we just have like there's too many differences between us. Ric Flair, Lucha Libre, he's a wrestler.
Yeah, no, the wrestler.
Anyhow, his big thing was woo. Anyhow, guys, it says woo. Okay, never mind. Enough of that. What's happening, Bravo?
Bravo, I'm Hans.
Hans. That's Franz. You're Hans. I'm sorry. So what are we doing? Uh-oh. Is this car coming down?
Yep.
We get ready to marry it now? We had to divorce, now we're having a marriage.
Yes, sir.
Wow, this is a first. Well, not a first, but... Okay, folks, here we go. The tranny and motor are going back up into the...
Dale.
Well, the car's going down back onto the motor and tranny. It's not actually going up into.
Okay, wait.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait, hold on. He's got to get on his ladder. Oh, no, I thought you were
No,
going on your
no.
ladder. Bravo's strong. Look how strong he is.
Okay, dale, papá. Sí, yep.
There we go. She's going down.
More.
She's going down. Okay, I'm sorry. It's a family channel. I shouldn't be saying that. I know there's some people saying that's what she said. No, that's for another station, not this station. Hey, Bravo had to hop up there. Look. He had to jump up there to line everything up. Oh, compressor's kicking on. Is it in?
Yep.
Oh, there was another spot. That's what she said.
She's saying.
Dale. Okay. Dale más. Okay. All right.
Motor mounts to the tranny. Motor mount lines up with the motor mount. It's good to go.
Yep.
Good to go. Next steps to reconnect all the wiring and fingers crossed she starts. Well, Hans is at it. Everything's connected. Underneath, up top. Time for the fluids. New oil filter goes in. New some fresh oil. What are we not gonna put? We're gonna put. Did you get the power steering fluid?
No power.
No power steering fluid. Okay. We got what do we got going in? Mobile one.
One. That's the one we usually use because
Just what?
this car don't use any other oil.
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure about that?
Yep.
Doesn't the oil cap say Castro?
I mean, like the
Let me see the oil cap.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Castro.
Castro. Oh well.
But I'm talking about the like
Synthetic.
fine-
It's
yeah.
close. It's close. It's oil. If you need, I got some extra virgin olive oil in the office that I've been having for lunch. You can try some of that too. Anyhow, folks, here we go. The fluids are going in. In a couple of minutes, we're gonna fire it up. But again, like I said, I hope we're gonna fire it up. Oh, Franz, you ready?
I think let's try.
You think we try?
I'm ready.
Okay, give it a go. Here we go, folks. Ooh! Ooh! One twist of the key. Wow.
That's how you do things.
No fluids leaking? Well, folks, it's a running.
We're gonna pump you up.
Bump, you go, okay, I want to hear it from you.
I love pumping you up.
Bump your, oh, okay, guys, okay. Okay, I'll take it. They're getting better. You see, folks, as more videos go, they're getting more comfortable. Especially Hans, because Hans doesn't like to talk.
What do you think?
Well, it sounds good. I'm sure on the speaker here, the mic picks up all the little tic-tacs and little, but otherwise, it sounds good to me. Sounds better than the other one. The other one didn't sound like anything. The other one sounded like him. Nothing. Okay, folks, well, we're gonna let this run a little bit. Make sure it doesn't overheat. All the fluids are good, nothing slopes. Then I guess we'll back it out and I'll give you, show you what I didn't get to show you before. This was up on a lift, the interior and whatnot. So, you guys did it again.
Yeah.
There she is. Like I said before, it's a 2018 Audi Q3 S-Line. Not a bad looking car, to tell you the truth. What you got? Say hello. Hello. This woman has been coming down here so long selling stuff, folks, that I used to buy VHS tapes from her. Here's how far back I bought New Jack City from that woman. You know, when I used to sell the bootleg videotapes. Now she sells shirts and gloves and masks. Anyhow, takes all kinds. New York City, Anyhow, back to this. It's the Q3. It's an S-Line. Like I said, not a bad looking car. Customer bought it at the auction with a bad motor. I don't know really what S-Line is. I guess the S-Line, because they all come with 2.0 turbo motors, these cars. So I guess the S-Line is the aluminum, you know, pedals and all the carbon fiber. Not bad. Not a bad piece overall. I don't know what he paid for it, but not bad. We got some lights on the dashboard going. Again, the car just pulled out, so I'm going to have to reset the computers and check everything else out after that. But otherwise, the engine's running good. Look, they got a little thing, the hood's blinking there, so we know the hood's open. But in any event, overall, not a bad car. I'd drive it. S-Line. S-Line. Anyhow, folks, what do you think, guys? You happy?
I'm happy.
Where's Hans? You happy?
That's great.
Everybody's happy?
Yes.
You happy too?
Yes.
They're very happy. Hopefully the customer's happy. Like I said, he rolled the dice and came up snake eyes. But like, comment, subscribe. Some more projects coming. Eventually, when we get the slip-free behind me, we'll get the, again, the Camaro. We'll get that clutch in. I know everybody's waiting for that. I know I'm waiting for that. Anyhow, like, comment, subscribe, everybody.
Thank you guys. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up?
Yes.
Double thumbs up. See you guys later. Thumbs up.
Yeah.